Grand Rising. I'm gonna get out on the water before that sun gets over the horizon. I don't have much time. Hoping to get a wave on this 12.6, but if this just turns into a sunrise mission, that's all right too. I just saw a fish jump. Look at the leash with booties and this wetsuit on. Look how tiny this leash strap is. This is kind of funny. Wow. Look at that. Just trusting your life with it, no big deal. Something about the beach in the morning. There's a fish right over there. Technically I beat the sun, but only for like 20 seconds. As soon as I stood up on the sup, it had already popped its head out. You really can never leave early enough for a sunrise mission. Like, however early you want to leave an hour earlier than that. There isn't much of waves out here, but I think I'm gonna find one. 4:44 on the clock when I said that shit. Oh, how gorgeous it is. That is gorgeous. Honestly, if you're waking up from a rough day, keep pushing. This life shit, it don't last forever. Just keep pushing. Whoa, this board is crazy. What a ride, man. Thank you. I'm totally satisfied with what I got. I hope you're getting through whatever you're going through. Please don't let it take your smile away as I try not to fall. I think that's a wrap. And the only thing I can say now is I was blinded. Hey, I was blinded. The sun is so nice here. Rolling on this board, gonna fall off, go swimming. Yeah, I caught a wave outside early this morning. Hope you win, I hope you get there too. Yeah, keep on doing what you do. Ooh, the sunrise once in a year. Let it in. Melanin take over you. Aquarius is coming through. Just do it what you do.